So in order for a garden to be successful, there are certain concepts that we want to master. And once you master these concepts, then your garden can be easy, fun, and productive. So the concept that I want to talk about today is disease prevention. You can't always stop a disease from running through your garden, but you can control the environment to help prevent a disease breakout. There are 3 things that I do for my garden to help keep diseases at bay. So number 1, have the plants dry going into the evening. So most diseases like a moist environment to grow in. So if you can keep the plants dry at night, you can prevent a lot of problems such as powdery mildew, blight, and fungus attacks and dampening off disease. So some of the gardeners that I know of in the rainy Northwest even grow their tomato plants under a hoop house to keep the rain off the plants. So for me, the key is to not water the plants after 3 p.m. Number 2 is clean up old plants from the garden at the end of the season. So leaving plant and weed residue in the garden can harbor diseases over the winter. So clean up your garden and compost the leftover plant material to keep the diseases down. And number 3 is make sure the plants have enough calcium in their system. Calcium creates strong cell walls and helps to prevent dead spots in the leaves and fruit. So lack of calcium can create blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. And because the pH of our water is almost 8, our plants struggle in the summer to absorb enough calcium through their roots. So as the pH rises in the soil, the calcium becomes bound and is not plant available. So to get around this, we do a foliar spray of calcium once a week all summer long. So we spray the tomatoes, the peppers, strawberries, peas, lettuce, and we've really noticed a lot less dead plant material, and we get to harvest a lot more perfect tomatoes and peppers. So I like to use a liquid foliar calcium product, and you can find many brands by doing a search on the internet. Just search for calcium foliar spray. I always will pick an organic product over a non-organic product, so look for organic as well. So if you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and garden concepts that lead to success, there are more articles, videos, and e-courses on our website that can help you on your way to success. So to go to our website, it's thelivingfarm.org. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.